Children, today's topic is days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Monday, 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 Monday. Tuesday, 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 Tuesday. Wednesday, 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 Wednesday. Thursday, 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 Thursday. Friday, 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 Friday. Saturday, 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 Saturday. Sunday, 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 Sunday. Children, let's revise one more time. There are 7 days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Children, here are some revision questions for you. Your first question is, how many days are there in a week? And the answer is, there are 7 days in a week. The second question is, name the days of the week. And the answer is, the days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Parents, please like, share and subscribe.